Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a 1950 style cleaning video, but before we do I want to tell you that this video is in collaboration with 5 wonderful women. We've got Shelby from Carriage House Chronicles, Jessie Hoffman from Jessie Hoffman Channel, we've got Kathy from Living Gratefully, Erica from She Wolf Mom, and we've got Dominique Jade. All of their videos will be linked down below, so please go check them out. Let them know in the comment section that I sent you, and make sure that you like and subscribe to their channels. Also, while you're here, I would love for you to give my video a thumbs up. Let me know if you enjoyed this type of video, if you want to see more like this with different decades like 70s, 80s, 90s. And also, if you're not subscribed, please do. I put out tons of different lifestyle content and I think you'll really like it here. So basically we're just going to clean my entire kitchen. The whole video is in black and white, so I hope that you enjoy it, and I'll check in every once in a while. So throughout the video, you might see some scars on my wrist and elbows. I did just have surgery on both of those. So although I wanted to give you more content than just my kitchen, my body wouldn't physically let me do that. I was only able to clean for about 30 minutes. So hopefully you got enough in this video to get you motivated to clean as well. I do have a dishwasher, but in the sake of keeping with the 50s theme, I decided that it might be fun to do the dishes by hand. You'll see me putting up a lot less dishes than what's actually in the sink, and that's because, again, I couldn't hold the dishes very well to continue to wash them. So I did about half of them, and then I put the rest in the dishwasher, so don't tell anyone, okay? I get asked a lot what this container is, and this is just a cereal container that they would have at hotels or someplace like that for continental breakfast. But this was purchased off of Amazon for 25 bucks. It is in my Amazon favorite things. You can get different colors if you want to. This one is actually in black. It's plastic. It does go in the dishwasher, but I've never actually put it in there because I'm a little bit worried to put it on the bottom shelf, even though it says it's dishwasher safe. So I've always just washed it by hand. It's never been a real problem. It does collect dust, so just FYI. But other than that, it's great. My kids love it. The cereal doesn't go stale. And so I just want to let you guys know what that is since I get so many questions on that. So these jars and the stand that they're on were also purchased through Amazon. Again, linked in my Amazon favorite things, either through Instagram or down below in the description box. The stand is bamboo and it actually extends. And then the jars are amber glass. And the reason that we chose the amber is because a lot of prescriptions have to be guarded from the light, basically, because it can break down your medication, it can ruin it. So we went with the darker glass for that reason. Our children are old enough now to know not to ingest the medication, so we wanted something that looked a little bit nicer. So we just decided to go with these, and we love them. you'll notice that the time on the stove and the time on the microwave are different if you can see that far. Just know that both of them are wrong, and I ended up fixing them after this video. So if it drives you nuts, just know that it did get fixed. So the plant light that you can see here is actually purple, but it turns to like red and blue, I believe. But my plants love it because my house doesn't get enough sunlight to make my plants happy, especially since I have a lot of desert plants. So this light is amazing, and I'll probably do an Amazon favorite things on it just so that you guys can see, because I believe I have before and after pictures. But if your plants struggle, this light was only like $22 and my plants love it. And if you use the light and then you also put in some coffee grounds that have already been used, my aloe vera went nuts and just excelled overnight. So that's my little tip for you guys if you are needing some help with your plants. that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below if you want to see some other decades. Don't forget to follow these ladies. Let them know that I sent you. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks again. Bye.